Do you want to be fit? Then this video is for you. Friends, I still remember around 5 years back, I was struggling to achieve my fitness. I joined a obesity doctor and he has told me to adapt a keto diet and the intermittent fasting in your life. And I tried that out, and unfortunately my weight did not went down, it went up. And I have lost all the things of my life, and I was not ready to start up again. But I have adopted these three things initially, which was the key point of my success for the 360-degree holistic approach. And in this very video, I will be talking about that. Health, happiness, immunity, and to have great body. This is my goal for every client, for everybody.
This is how legends are made.
Hi, my name is Bhupendra and I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert. I'm the author of the book Know Your Fitness, and I am on the mission to transform 100,000 working class people of India into happy, healthy, immune, and to have a great body. That's why I have created this ebook Know Your Fitness, where you can find the 7 days diet chart along with some basic workouts. Friends, fitness is the key point of your success. The base of every success is your fitness. If you don't believe on this, then I guarantee to you that just cross your age of 40, and after that you will find out that what are the best things which you have not done in your life when you were before 40s. Friends, it is a fact that we cannot mess with our health. Whatever kind of a fitness we are having right now, it is a blessing of our God. And if we are not taking care of our body, and if we are not taking care of our health, then we have to see the results in upcoming future. Friends, as I was mentioning to you that I was really struggling to achieve my health. The three things which I have adapted, which I'm going to discuss with you, it was those initial things which really helped me out, and it will help you also. The number one thing which I did once I have lost all the things in my life in terms of my health, the first thing which I did, that again I have started, but this time it was on my own. And this time I quit the sugar. For the first time when I quit the sugar, it was really a horrible thing for me. I used to be the fond of the tea. I used to take so much tea in my life, and after stopping the tea, there was a dramatical changes has came into my skin. And the first thing which I have seen, that I was able to sleep better after quitting the sugar. I i already had the knowledge that sugar is not good for health, but I have never tried on me. And after a month of quitting sugar and without doing any diet and workouts, I lost 2 kgs on my own. And it was a big breakthrough for me, because sugar and the tea was the biggest hurdle of my calories intake, which was indirectly coming into my life and I was not aware of it. So friend, the first thing I did that thing. So if you really want to start something, then quit sugar, number one. The second thing which I did when I did not have any knowledge about the diet and all, the first thing which I did, that I started walking. I used to listen the books of the Audible, and I used to walk. I I used to finish my work from my corporate office, and after that after finishing my work, I used to walk. I used to take small walks also, but the one thing which was quite regular in me, after finishing my office, I directly did not used to come to my home. I used to take a break and I used to go for the walks, and it has also impacted me so much. As of now, I'm not walking because I'm doing my workout in the morning, the home based workouts with my clients also. But I usually prefer to walk at times. Still, maybe around twice or thrice in a week, I go for the walks. I really enjoy that time with myself. You should also adapt this habit. You don't need any kind of a doctor and dietitian for this. The third thing, the third thing is the key point. The third thing is the solution of your stress. In 21st century, stress is the number one reason of your weight increasing, and the thing which I have adapted is the meditation. Friends, I have been doing meditation since it's been more than 10 years, and the meditation has always helped me out to make my stress out of from my life. Right now I'm doing so many advanced courses of meditation also, but meditation has really changed my life. So basically, what does meditation does for us? The meditation does a one thing for us, that always, I want to give you an example, that imagine for a moment that you are holding a half water glass. So there is two condition. The one condition is this, which you see, the glass is half empty. The other condition is this, the glass is half full. Now how do you see the glass? It's on you. The meditation gives us that kind of a magic. There is a negative, there is a positive. It's we who choose negatives but ignore the positives in the life. The meditation does this thing for us. So even it has taken so much time, but even a small meditation has helped me out so much. So friends, I have read lots of books about the meditation, but it is a really a good tool. Even if you try once for the 10 minutes or 5 minutes in your day, it will really change your life so much. You will really going to find out that what are the new things you need to achieve in your life. And I really want to say this thing, that my meditation is the one thing which has always told me about my purpose of my life, to help out the people, to reach out the people who are really depressed because of their overweight and their fat. So that's why this is how the meditation has helped me. It will help you also. So friend, these are some of the three things. If you're going to apply these three things only in your life, then definitely you will see the big changes in your life. Now friends, to help you out, I have created an ebook which is known as Know Your Fitness. There you can find the 7-day diet plan along with some home-based workouts which will definitely work out for you. So friends, download my ebook. Link I'm giving in the description. If you have any kind of a suggestion or comments, feel free to mention in this video. This is the fitness friend Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness. Be happy without any reason.